everyone. We have with us a special guest, a gentleman who is stylish, lively, go-getter, and a very well-connected public figure in the events business. He has experience of more than 25 years. Experience the extraordinary is what Rashi Entertainment, Mr. Rajiv Jain, our guest, stands for. Please welcome Mr. Rajiv Jain.
Hi Swati, how are you?
I am perfect, Rajiv ji. Your location looks wonderful. I'm guessing you're on a cruise. Please tell us more.
So guys, first and foremost, big congratulations to Gunjan and his team for doing this Cruisistan on the month of September for the entire industry. Do have this opportunity to attend this cruise. It's a small cruise with some 1200 rooms, out of which there are 1000 rooms and some 200 suites. They've got a beautiful open air theatre where they do a Bollywood night. They've got this deck which is at the back of mine, which is a big swimming pool area with a lot of fun activities happening every day. There is a beach. Just now we are docked at Malaysia in Kuala Lumpur. Hence I'm speaking from this particular deck. But yes, it'll make you feel very comfortable while staying at cruise in this rooms. But yes, an experience at the cruise for event industry, which is an ongoing industry, which is an upcoming industry, which is going up.
The event entrepreneurs, a special opportunity to experience the whole cruise where they can bring in their client later for a wedding or for a function.
See, whatever little I have experienced is, आप इस क्रूज को देखेंगे तो आप अपने क्लाइंट को लाने की कोशिश करेंगे. आप एक 25वीं शादी की सालगिरह हो, एक 50वीं वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी हो, एक बहुत अच्छा संगीत सेरेमनी हो या शादी हो, एवरी इज पॉसिबल इन द शिप. और एक 3.5 घंटे की दिल्ली से फ्लाइट होती है और 5 घंटे की बॉम्बे से फ्लाइट होती है, तो वर्किंग कैपेसिटी बिकम्स गुड.
राजीव जी, स्पेशली प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हुआ था क्रूजिस्तान का, उसमें ये भी मेंशन किया गया कि यूजुअली क्रूजेस पे वेडिंग फायर नहीं होता है, बट थैंक्स टू द persuasion of event leaders like yourself, today cruises are accommodating that as well, that there can be a wedding fire, there can be wedding rituals done on the cruise itself.
तो स्वाति जी, 5 लाख करोड़ की इंडस्ट्री है, 35 कंट्री हमारे पीछे भाग रही है रेवेन्यूज जनरेट करने के लिए और हिंदुस्तानी वेडिंग लाने के लिए. तो डेफिनेटली अगर आपके पास में 400, 500, 600 लोग आने वाले हो, आप इनसे 300-400 कमरे ले रहे हो, डेफिनेटली यू कैन सिट ऑन द टेबल, नेगोशिएट वेल विद देम, एंड यस दे शुड अलाउ.
Yes, Rajiv sir, they have already agreed.
Only my request to everybody is, this is not a place only to party. This is a place where you should come, have fun, but definitely understand the venue for promoting Indian weddings, for giving experiences to our clients, for when people come here, उनको लगना चाहिए एक नई जगह पे हमारे को लेके आए और एक नया एक्सपीरियंस हमारे को दिया. यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे वेन्यूज है, 200 लोगों के, 300 लोगों के, 400 लोगों के, 500 लोगों के. आइए, उनका इस्तेमाल कीजिए, क्रूज कंपनी के साथ में बैठिए आप, और जब आप ये 3 दिन का क्रूज लेंगे, आप एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे, तो आपको मालूम होगा कि आपको संगीत कहाँ करना है, आपको शादी कहाँ करनी है, आपको मेहंदी कहाँ करनी है. This is a pool deck where I am standing. It's a beautiful place to do a function.
So everybody, that was an exclusive walkthrough of the cruise by Mr. Rajiv Jain himself. And as we all know, he has always been known for bringing in new trends into the Indian event market, in the Indian event space. And this is his message now that cruises are the next big thing. So let's explore this cruise at Cruisistan 2024, which is going to be a Mahakumbh of event industry. Thank you so much. This is Swati Sharma Singh signing off on behalf of Event TV Live.